Zigien, Mr. Edward Zhu, and of course, Mr. Alex Yuen. Ingenious MacGyver you, Sir Matt. President Nita So, Corporate Secretary. Nandito po ba si Ma'am Nita So? Then we also have Regine So, the Finance Manager. Yeah? And who else? We also have Cindy May Yu. Si Ma'am Cindy, the ever beautiful. And Ma'am Cindy, Vice President. Rina Kathleen Chan. Wala rin po. Si Riza Nicole So. Architect Joey Rivas. Architect. April Chu, Lapitan. Yan, madali pong lapitan. Salesman, we have Mervin Pedemonte. Si Sir Pedimont. Naging English, Pedimont. We also have Nathaniel So. Si Sir Nathaniel. Yeah. Jared Lapitan.
Yan.
Madaling
Lapitan.
And also, Marketing Manager Natasha Nang.
Please all welcome and give a round of applause to Mr. MacGyver Yu.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Such a joy to see all of you here today. On behalf of Rokid Philippines, I'd like to extend my warmest welcome and deepest thanks for being part of this special moment. Made possible through our exclusive partnership with The Loop by PowerMac Center. Along with the support of our other valued partners, Advanced Solution, Resi, Ideal Vision, Hobby Dynamics, Larks Trading, and Playerbolt PH. Who share our vision of bringing innovation closer to Filipinos. Our vision has always been simple and yet powerful. To bring the future closer. To make technology not just advanced, but meaningful and accessible to everyone. We believe innovation should inspire curiosity, creativity, and connection. And today, that vision become reality. We are proud to introduce the Rokid AI and AR glasses, a breakthrough device that faces augmented reality and artificial intelligence in one sleek, powerful form. These glasses are more than just smart technology. They represent a new way to see, the experience, the world, hands-free, immersive, and limitless. Imagine this. Before, we used to buy encyclopedia just to learn something new. Now, with Rokid AI glasses, we can access and retrieve information in just a second. Hi Rokid, what's the weather today? Hi Rokid, what's the latest news in the Philippines? Hi Rokid, give me the recipe to make sinigang. All that information appear right before your eyes. And you can hear it too. It's like having your own smart assistants, always ready to help whenever you go. You can travel around the world with ease. No need for interpreter. With AI translation, Rokid can understand and translate up to 89 languages instantly. And here's the twist. Two Rokid users can each speak together in their own language and still understand each other in real time. Navigation is another powerful features. You can simply say, "Hi Rokid, show me the top 10 restaurant nearby." Then, the prompt is just, "Hi Rokid, navigate me to the number 3. Just follow the arrow and Rokid glasses will guide your way. With these smart glasses, it's like being an Iron Man. But instead of wearing armor, you're wearing intelligent. With Rokid, you can become human upgraded version, smarter, faster, and connected to the world around you. These are not just glasses. These are the eyes of the future." Thank you so much, everyone. Next questions.
All right, I have a question here.
Okay.
What message would you like to share with Filipino consumers and tech enthusiasts who are excited to experience Rokid's newest AR and AI glasses?
Okay, for tech youth,
Tech enthusiast.
enthusiasts. This is wearable devices that can help us enhance in our daily lives. So, this is a new technology na dati cellphone, hawak natin cellphone lagi. Now, with the AI glasses, imagine, you can read your text messages inside the glasses. You can answer calls inside our glasses. You don't need to put out always your phone. Pag naka-phone ka, lagi ka nakatungo. Tingin ka ng tingin sa sahig. With the Rokid glasses, parang pantay lagi tingin mo. You are aware always of your surroundings. And with the AI assistance, napakalakas sobra ng AI assistance. You can get all the information you need in just 1 second. And at the same time, again, the next feature is the navigation. Ito ang inabangan na lahat. "Hi Rokid, navigate me to Mall of Asia." That's it. Follow the arrow. And Rokid glasses will guide you in your directions.
All right, one last question. What inspired you to bring Rokid's AR and AI technology to the Philippines, and how do you envision it transforming the way Filipinos interact with technology?
Okay. So, guys, nakita ko, this is the future technology. Imagine, ano mga benefit na makukuha ng mga tao dito. Imagine, a blind person na lang. Blind person. Guys, for a blind person, kaya niya kausapin si AI. "Hi Rokid, what color is this dress?" So the blind people, it's like having another senses of her eyes. Napakalakas nun. And again, Justo said, there will be a live AI. I tried it, the live AI. Ganito yung functions ng live AI. Live AI is always on. So the blind people can talk tuloy-tuloy questions like, what's in front of me? What's this? What's the? Oh, there's a lamppost in front of you. Can you help me find my glass of water? Where in this table? Oh, it's on your right side. Ganon ka-powerful si Live AI. Second, this is true This is true. So I encounter a deaf. Di siya makarinig. Sabi nung guy, "Mac, can we try the Rokid AI glasses? Can we try the captions for her?" Kasi sign language lang kami nag-usap ng girlfriend ko. Pinatry namin doon sa deaf. Alam mo, napaiyak yung deaf. Umiyak, napaluha. Why? First time niya nagkaroon ng another sense of hearing but through the eyes. Napakalakas. So, sabi ng boyfriend niya, "Mahal mo ba ako?" Sabi nung babae, "Yes. Yes." So, as you can see, that's a really powerful applications or innovative para sa mga life-changing, yun, new word, life-changing wearable devices para sa mga Pilipino.
And you know, during this hosting job, of course, I'm working so I cannot answer emails. I am waiting for an important email. Nasabi na, nabigay na nito ni Rokid ngayon habang nag-host ako. So, sinend niya sa akin yung important email na hinihintay ko.
Oo nga. Medyo nakakabawas siya ng anxiety.
Oo, diba? Kasi, alam mo na may sumagot na hindi yung check na ng check ng phone.
Bye!
Nice, thank you.
Our media friends, please stand by. We'll have photo op. Partners. Look, Ideal Vision.